Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send money using Remitly on your PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to remitly.com. Before everything, make sure you're logged in to your Remitly account. At the top of the page, click on Send Money. Select the amount you want to send, then click Continue. Now choose your delivery method, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or debit card, depending on your recipient's location. Next, enter your recipient's details, including their name and account or pickup information. Choose your payment method, review the full transfer summary, then click Send Money to complete the transaction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.